Welcome to another of our informative Italian-themed videos. This time, it's a comprehensive guide to some of Italy's most iconic and must-see automotive museums and factory tours. Perfect for enthusiasts, whether you are planning a journey through the heart of the country's motor valley or not. I mean, who doesn't like to look at Italian supercars? Am I right? Let's start with Ferrari. Before we get started, can you help us out by clicking the like and subscribe buttons? That will really help our channel with YouTube's algorithm. It will also make it easy for you to find all our other videos and not miss the new ones. Many thanks in advance. The prancing horse of performance, Ferrari, was founded in 1947 by Enzo Ferrari in Maranello, although its roots date back to the 1920s, when Enzo was a race car driver for Alfa Romeo. In 1939, he left Alfa and started Auto Avio Costruzioni, building his first car, the 125S, in 1947, the first to bear the Ferrari name and badge. The company rapidly became a force in motorsports, dominating Formula One with legendary drivers like Alberto Ascari, Niki Lauda, and Michael Schumacher. Ferrari is now synonymous with Italian performance, precision engineering, and elite automotive craftsmanship. The Ferrari Museum in Maranello celebrates not only the brand's racing achievements, but also its cutting-edge road cars. It sits close to the actual Ferrari factory, test track, and design center. Located adjacent to Ferrari's headquarters, the Maranello Museum offers an immersive experience into the brand's storied past and present. Visitors can explore a vast collection of road and track cars, delve into the evolution of Ferrari's design and engineering, and even test their skills on a Formula One simulator. The museum also provides insights into the brand's commitment to innovation and excellence. Ferrari Museum is located at Via Alfredo Dino Ferrari, 43, Maranello. The Enzo Ferrari Museum, Modena via Paolo Ferrari, 85 Modena. Situated in Modena, the birthplace of Enzo Ferrari, this museum celebrates the life and legacy of the legendary founder. The futuristic building houses a collection of some of Ferrari's most iconic models and offers multimedia exhibits that chronicle Enzo's journey from a young racing enthusiast to the head of one of the world's most renowned automotive brands. A bit about Enzo Ferrari, the man behind the myth. This museum is all about Enzo Ferrari himself, born there in 1898. His passion for racing started as a child, and after World War I, he pursued a career in motorsports. Enzo's vision wasn't just to build fast cars, it was to craft machines that stirred the soul. The museum sits on the site of his birth home, with a futuristic yellow-roofed pavilion housing a collection of early Ferrari designs, engines, and personal memorabilia. You can get more information, including ticketing, from the Ferrari Museum's website. Now Lamborghini. From tractors to supercars, Lamborghini Museum Mutotech, Sant'Agata Bolognese, Mutotech, Museum of Technologies offers visitors a deep dive into over 60 years of Lamborghini's innovation and design. From the classic Miura to the latest Aventador, the museum showcases the brand's evolution. Interactive exhibits and a driving simulator provide an engaging experience for all ages. Ferruccio Lamborghini founded Automobili Lamborghini S.p.A. in 1963, originally a successful tractor manufacturer. Legend has it that Ferruccio complained to Enzo Ferrari about clutch issues in his personal Ferrari. Enzo brushed him off, saying he should stick to tractors. Ferruccio took it personally and started building his own line of supercars to rival Ferrari. The Miura, released in 1966, set the template for the modern supercar. Rear mid-engine layout, jaw-dropping design, and extreme performance. Today, Lamborghini is known for bold styling, powerful V10 and V12 engines, and names inspired by fighting bulls. The Mutotech Museum in Sant'Agata Bolognese, near Bologna, houses historic models from the Miura to the Countach, Diablo, Murcielago, and modern Huracans and Aventadors. You can get more information, including ticketing, from the Lamborghini Museum's website. Address: Via Modena 12, Sant'Agata Bolognese. Factory address: Viale Ciro Minotti, 322 Modena. And what about Maserati? Elegance with racing pedigree. Maserati was founded in 1914 in Bologna by the Maserati brothers, Alfieri, Ettore, and Ernesto, who were all passionate about engineering and racing. The brand initially focused on building racing cars and had great early success, including winning the Indianapolis 500 in 1939 and 1940. In the 1950s, Maserati transitioned to producing luxury road cars with a performance edge, like the 3500 GT and Ghibli. The brand has changed ownership multiple times, including Citroën, Fiat, and now part of Stellantis, but it continues to be associated with Italian flair and grand touring elegance. Maserati's factory tour offers a behind-the-scenes look at the production of their luxury vehicles. Visitors can witness the assembly process, explore the showroom, and learn about the brand's rich history. For those interested in vintage models, the Umberto Panini Maserati collection, located just outside Modena, showcases a private collection of classic Maseratis. You can get more information, including ticketing, from the Maserati Museum's website. All these locations are situated within the Emilia-Romagna region, making it feasible to visit multiple sites over a few days. Public transportation options are available, but renting a car can provide more flexibility. It's advisable to book tickets and tours in advance, especially during peak tourist seasons. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, can you help us out by clicking the like and subscribe buttons? That will really help our channel with YouTube's algorithm. It will also make it easy for you to find all our other videos and not miss the new ones. Many thanks in advance, and we look forward to seeing you with our next Italian-based video.